Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Fidelity with Merrill Edge. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I actually recommend for you to use and when you should use Fidelity or Merrill Edge. Then I will look on fees, then I will go on trading platform, like which one is better actually, customer service, and some bottom line, like summary of the whole video. Now, I would recommend using Merrill Edge if you have account in Bank of America, only because you're gonna have like rewards here and platinum honors, like for groceries and also for gas, and you can read it by yourself here if you would go here on preferred rewards on details on Bank of America. And it likes, like if I would have account, if you have combined 100k on Merrill Edge account and Bank of America, you're gonna have all these honors, all these benefits, and it's really great. And also like foreign currency exchange rate discount if you need it, auto loan discount, so many things, right? So, and again, I would use Merrill Edge for long-term investing. I wouldn't use personally Merrill Edge for day trading and like let's say that options. If you want to choose, I don't know, some stocks, some ETFs, I would go with the Merrill Edge for like investing for 20-30 years. I don't know if you want to like invest to Vanguard ETFs and you want to buy e-commerce stocks, I would go with Merrill Edge for 20 years and voila, I would have automatic payments to Merrill Edge, stocks and ETFs, and I would just leave it there. Then I would play and day trade with options, possibly on Fidelity and also on Robinhood, which is like game, and I would lose money there. So that's how would I define Merrill Edge. Also, another thing is that you need to have at least 20,000 qualifying accounts at the brokerage and its parent bank to have the free ETFs. But also Merrill says that 87% of all transactions have been commission free. So again, if you would have 5k, you're not going to have a free ETF and stock trading. You would have to pay a fee. So have at least 20k. Now, to go further, they got 0.65 per trade on options. But Merrill Edge, there is one thing that you can actually, if you're going to have more money on your account, you can talk about the fees on options. Many people were saying that they lowered their fee on options to like 0.28 per trade, which is like really great. Not that great comparing to Robinhood, which offers you free options trading, but still you can do that. You don't have any account fee, any inactivity fee, any deposit or withdrawal fee. That's really great. When we talk about the customer service, you get phone support and live chat, and it feels like okay-ish to actually trade with Merrill Edge. Like it's okay, but again, I wouldn't use it on day trading, but that's me. Now, Fidelity, in my eyes, okay, you got free stocks and ETF. You can use it too for trading and actually buying. You can buy also UK stock and German stock, but it's kind of expensive. And again, you got 0.65 per option, but again, it's not that great comparing to Webull or Robinhood. Trading platform, again, it's really easy to use. Many people who were comparing Merrill Edge with Fidelity were saying that Fidelity was better. Like how it felt to use it. So again, I recommend like test it out by yourself, which one you like. And when we look on markets and products here, let me show you. You have Robo Advisory also in Fidelity, so that's huge. And now you have research here with good interactive chart trading ideas and data on asset fundamentals. Merrill Edge doesn't have the interactive charting and don't have many analytical tools. Phone support, live chat, both, and Fidelity got also advantage of fast response time. So yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it, guys. I don't know what else should I talk about. If you have Bank of America account, go with the Merrill Edge because you're gonna save money actually on fees based on groceries and gas and everything. I would personally go with Fidelity only if I don't have like in Bank of America account. That would be really great. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. I'm really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.